In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online with Turkish Airlines in their 2025 update. This easy guide will take you through each step, ensuring a smooth online check-in experience. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone flying for the first time, these steps will help you get your boarding pass quickly and efficiently from the comfort of your home. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Turkish Airlines official website. This is your go-to destination for all flight-related services. And locating the check-in section is quite simple on their homepage. Once you're on their website, look for the check-in tab. This can usually be found at the top of the page or in the main menu. Clicking on it will take you directly to the check-in portal where you'll begin the process of logging in and getting your boarding pass sorted. Once you're at the check-in portal, you'll need to provide some details to access your booking. First, you'll need your ticket number. This is a unique set of digits provided at the time of booking. You'll either find this number in the confirmation email you received after purchasing your ticket or on your printed ticket if you have one. Go ahead and enter this number into the designated field, making sure you input it correctly to avoid any errors. Next, you'll need to type in your last name. Again, ensure that this matches the name on your ticket or reservation to prevent any discrepancies during the check-in process. Accuracy is key here, as a mismatch could potentially disrupt your boarding pass retrieval, so double check your spelling and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Now it's time to press that check-in button. This will finalize the login process and take you to the section where your flight details are displayed. From here, it's straightforward. Just follow any additional prompts that the system asks for. These could involve confirming your seat selection or any specific travel requirements you might have, ensuring that your travel preferences are met as best as possible. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be presented with an example of your electronic boarding pass. The great thing about doing this online is that you'll see your boarding pass right away, which you can either print out if you prefer a physical copy or save it on your mobile device for convenience. Just ensure your device is charged on the day of travel. And that's it. You've successfully checked in online with Turkish Airlines using the latest 2025 update. By following these steps, you save time at the airport, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey instead. Thank you for watching, and have a safe and pleasant flight with Turkish Airlines.